Hi guys, this is Faye and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I would like to show you how to cook an omelette. And you know what? On my own experience, I had a lot of trouble cooking an omelette. And for now, for this video, I show you how to do it without making a mistake. Because that omelette made me crazy when I cook. I'm so much angry that how I do this, I messed this up again. So for how many years I've been cooking, I got the technique and I show you how. So these are my ingredients for the omelette. 3 brown eggs, half of the onion, half of the bell pepper, half of the garlic, and then the whole tomato. I will chop them on later. And then I will also use the cheese. That way your omelette will not be broken up. It will be stick together. Then I used butter for better taste. This is very good. Try this. And you have to use this kind of whatever this called. You have to use this one. I don't know how this that called that one. It's not level. First, you have to cook the ingredients first. This one here, the garlic first, and then followed by the tomato. I know garlic, and then after that, the onion, and then tomato, then the bell pepper. Guys, advice ko lang ha, when you use this kind, because this is remember this is aluminum and this is aluminum, so don't make it like so hard, because sometimes the aluminum to aluminum, it will create like you can eat the aluminum, so there's something like like we said, so better gentle. So garlic first, cook it first, use the butter for this, and then later on you can use oil. It's up to you what kind of oil do you want to use. For me, I prefer also the pure canola oil. It's good for the heart, this one. Sometimes, yes, if my husband is here, I use olive oil because he preferred to use olive oil, the virgin olive oil, the compressed one. It's better this one. But when you flip it, you have to use this. It's very important for flipping. That way you will not make a mistake. It's the flat one, the flat spoon. What do you call this? And you have to also you have to have another one, another flat. Actually, I use this one because if I use this is more thick. You see that? This is more thick. The size is more thick. So when you flip it, you will have problem. So I use this one. The edge is more thin, like this one. So this is the technique that I already found out. The thing is if you use the butter, it's more smell good, especially when you cook the garlic. It's so smell tasty already. Even you don't finish cooking yet, but you smell the food that is so tasty. So you have to make it like brownish, a little brownish. No, it's more. See, let me show you closer. You have to make it more brownish. Excuse me. Yeah, it's brownish already. So you have to. Next is the onion. then tomato, then the pepper. I'm missing it. So this. So when you're done this, you have to put it in another plate. Separate this. When you cook it, you have to make more 2 times separation. So secretly that it's already cooked. But you know that it's cooked, so you have to transfer it. If you know, guys, I just advise you that if the food is hot, don't use plastic. That is not advisable for hot food because it may, it's carcinogenic and cause cancer. So the best way is like microwavable or porcelain. This one I use this one. This one is plastic. I think it's microwavable, but I'm not really sure it is really microwavable. So it's best to use a porcelain one. So it's done. The eggs, you have to sprinkle a little bit of salt, just a little bit. Mix it again. See how bubbly is that? It's more bubbly. So when you say it's bubbly, it's bubbles. So
to fry the eggs, I used butter instead of canola oil or any oil because butter for me is better taste and the egg smell will disappear. Just try that.
Then, excuse me, you have to do it like this. Make the oil or butter in the edge where you put the eggs.
Then after that, you have to spread the butter or oil. That way, when you put the eggs, it will also spread. Look, you have to spread the eggs too. That way, it's easy for you to flip.
If you have cover, you can cover it up a little bit. The way it will dry up quickly.
But if you have a flat frying pan, it's more easy to flip.
here's my omelette. Or it is. You see that? How easy it is? It's very nice. So it's not broken up, and you have to use what do you call this? This thin edge is much better than this one. This one is thicker, so when you flip it, you will have mistake. It will broken up, I assure you, because I did that many times, and I had a lot of mistake, and I don't do it again. So that's my technique. Use this one. This two little it's done. Let's eat. You see that this is more perfect than my omelette the other years. So it's brownish, but that's what I like. And I hope you learned something from me today. And yeah, let's eat.